Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana. I wanted to show y'all what was a gift to me this summer. So, my dad's neighbor was tearing down his deck, and he just cut it off and was gonna discard it and burn it. But he told my dad if I wanted it to come get it. So, there it is. We brought it out here, shoved it off the trailer. This is where I wanted it because I'm going to build a chicken house with it. This will be the floor. I will be putting probably some plywood over the top of it. That way it'll be easier to scrape out. I've got my those little silver bracket thingies there for my 4x4 posts. I've got my lumber in there. This right here is where my door is going to be, and I'm going to come out with a roof over the top of that, so that'll kind of be like a little porch. I'm going to try to do two sections. Where the domino is where my big chickens are going to be. Where Trixie is where my bantams are going to be. I want built-in nesting boxes from the outside to where I can go around it. I'm so sorry. That was so gross. So anyway, I'll show y'all when I get started. Hubby and I have got to raise it up and level it. We're going to put it on, we're going to put the caps underneath it. And we're going to go 1 cinder block high. That way, chickens can run under it to get away from predators. Well, the flying predators anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what my personal next project will be. And I am not a carpenter. So, with that being said, y'all watch at your own risk. So anyway, when I get started on this, which will be couple of weeks, because next week Rick's vacation starts Monday, so Saturday when he gets off work we're gonna start ripping my bedroom out, so thank goodness. Anyway, if he will let me film that, I'll film it. I may just have to show y'all afterwards because he don't want to be on film, and I'm not confident enough in my own skills to do that bedroom myself. So anyway, I may just have to show y'all progress as he's out of the room, but he will be doing the bedroom because I'd fall through the floor. I'm a klutz. And he doesn't let me around stuff that I can actually hurt myself really bad because I'm prone to falling. Been that way ever since the stroke. So, anyway. But this is my baby. And I will be doing it. So, wish me luck. Y'all have a wonderful day. I love you each and every one. Bye, y'all.